The sprinkling truck was successfully shipped to Vietnam in early October. Made by Hubei Chang Kai Special Purpose Vehicle Co. Ltd. With years of rich experiences in the R&D of specialized vehicles, we strictly control the quality and the production from core spare parts to complete vehicle assembly. Furthermore, we also deal with exports like logistics, booking shipments, and customs clearance, ensuring the efficient coordination and compliance throughout the entire business process to deliver stable and reliable products to customers with solid professional strength.